Perform a scroll compressor PSH series the right solution for heating and cooling in extreme conditions. Aim for new markets with an outstandingly extended operating envelope. What is saved is earned, focusing on decreasing the applied cost on your unit. Reliability is guaranteed, your compressor always running safe. A sound choice, reach an excellent level of sound performance. PSH compressor has 4 main features. Liquid injection for an outstanding extended operating envelope. Heating optimized scroll set for a better efficiency. New compressor control for improved compressor protection. Acoustic bottom shell for an incredible low sound level. Liquid injection, how does it work? Here you see a basic vapor compression cycle sketch. Some of the liquid leaving the condenser is used to cool down the discharge gas. When the discharge temperature reaches the limit, discharge gas temperature sensor sends the information to the operating control system located in the electrical box. This control system pilots the opening of the electronic expansion valve. The liquid leaving the condenser is re-injected in the scroll set of the compressor through an internal piping. The injection is made in 2 different points of the intermediate compression pockets. The discharge gas is cooled down by the liquid injection. When the temperature is back to normal, the liquid injection is stopped. The map extension here in red makes it possible for the system to operate under extreme conditions. For instance, a heat pump can produce hot sanitary water above 60 degrees Celsius, even when the outdoor temperature reaches -20 degrees Celsius. If we compare liquid injection with vapor injection, you'll see there is no need for intermediate heat exchanger, expansion device, and complex piping. With less components, decrease the applied cost of your system. Why an optimized scroll set? The peak isentropic efficiency of a scroll compressor is determined by the design of the scroll set. The Performer PSH has a scroll set optimized for high pressure ratio. A heat pump will operate with a high pressure ratio most of the time. As a result, the PSH seasonal efficiency is higher than the one of a standard compressor. Why does the Performer PSH have a superior reliability? The PSH is equipped with an electronic module called Operating Control System. This feature provides several functions: map monitoring, motor protection, injection control, and data communication. Connecting a PSH compressor is easy. The main power, the low voltage for the board, and the on-off command are the only connections to be done by the manufacturer. Low and high pressure sensors connections are optional. Discharge gas temperature sensor, injection valve, as well as oil heater are already connected by Danfoss. The OCS module is able to communicate operating parameters, warnings and alarms through Modbus with the system control. When the compressor runs for too long outside the operating map, the module shuts down the compressor. What makes the PSH quiet? The Performer PSH has a remarkably low sound level thanks to the integrated acoustic thermal insulation placed under the base plate of the compressor. Keep in mind the four main benefits of the PSH compressor: extended operating envelope, best applied cost, high reliability, and a low sound level. Performer Scroll Compressor PSH Series, the right solution for heating and cooling in extreme conditions.
The HVAC industry is about to discover a new compressor system that offers increased energy efficiency, lower applied costs, and improved robustness in various air conditioning applications. Introducing the next generation of Danfoss scrolls for air conditioning units, DSH. DSH takes the industry a tremendous step forward in terms of part load energy efficiency and overall compressor robustness. DSH is the outcome of the Danfoss engineering team's holistic approach to compressor design, assembly, and field application analysis. Let's take a closer look at what the Danfoss engineers have done for the new Danfoss scroll, DSH.
During every step of designing the Danfoss scroll range DSH, we have applied our knowledge of different applications and focused on part load energy efficiency and overall design robustness. This has helped us to optimize several new design features that were initially implemented in the 40-ton Danfoss scroll.
First is the Intermediate Discharge Valve, or IDV. This feature reduces excessive compression of the electrical motor while maintaining the same cooling capacity, significantly improving the energy efficiency of the compressor, especially in the new part load rating point of the operating envelope. The IDV is also important in case of liquid floodback into the compressor. It acts like a bypass valve, minimizing the stress on the scrolls while improving the compressor's liquid handling ability. Another new feature, called the snorkel, adds to this by preventing any incompressible refrigerant from entering the scroll pocket. The DSH is equipped with a third feature, the Integrated Discharge Temperature, PTC, in the fixed scroll. The PTC provides regulation of the internal discharge temperature, improving reliability of the operating map management. The application in manifold configuration is taken into account with the organ pipe. It ensures a constant oil level in the oil compressor sump, even when the system runs at part load. The organ pipe also makes it safe to restart the compressor from idle mode. The concluding feature to mention here is the integration of an indexed counterweight on the crankshaft. This ensures perfect alignment of the components by design and leads to a compressor with a low vibration level. Danfoss Scroll, DSH, energy efficiency that you can rely on.
Danfoss Turbo Core has recently released the TG310 compressor, which operates with HFO R1234ZE as refrigerant. It offers a solution for packaged chillers with a green refrigerant and with minimal impact on the environment. Why use R1234ZE? This refrigerant has a very low global warming potential, less than 1 compared to 1300 for R134A. It meets the most demanding international standard related to refrigerants, and especially the new F-gas regulations. Compressor efficiency performance is similar to a compressor using R134A as refrigerant, and the coefficient of performance is almost the same, within plus or minus 1%. Another benefit of the compressor using HFO 1234ZE relates to evaporating and condensing temperatures or operating envelope. These are similar to the R134A, meaning that the compressor perfectly fits air-cooled chillers where condensing temperatures can reach 60 degrees C. Is it safe to use R1234ZE refrigerant? We have run several tests with the developers of the refrigerant to check the flammability and potential risks when using R1234ZE. The results are that today the DTC compressor using R1234ZE satisfies all recognised safety standards and complies with the Pressure Equipment Directive. French ATEX related to explosive atmospheres is not applicable as the test demonstrated that the refrigerant is non-flammable and non-explosive. As a conclusion, the Danfoss Turbo Core compressor fulfills all safety classifications. A conservative position is to install units only in outdoor places. Indoor installations are possible after finalization upon a specific study. Four questions about TG310. Is this compressor suitable for all countries? The use of the new TG310 compressor is the same as for the existing TT compressors. They are suitable for all countries except for extremely hot climates due to the limits on maximum saturated condensing temperature. Is it a drop-in solution? The TG310 compressor has exactly the same dimensions and connections as the TT. It can replace an existing TT compressor. However, it is not possible to field convert an existing TT compressor to a TG compressor. Have TG310 units already been installed in the field? Yes, there are OEM chiller installations already operating successfully in the UK. What are the next steps for the range? At present we have the TG310 model. We are intending to develop other models when the market for TG compressors starts to become established.